is snowing. I'm out here with Eric and Will. Shout out Mint Vikla, Be More Bread. They are helping me install my new exhaust. Yesterday I made the impulsive decision to buy a 2-in-1 exhaust finally. I got the Bassani Road Rage 3 that I'm installing on my 2019 Street Glide. According to my girl math, it was free, so it's fine. We last minute decided to do some projects before Daytona, but we still have 2 weeks, so it'll be fine. Snow was not on the forecast, but it builds character, so.
In the snow, changing an exhaust, putting a bike back together. Motherfuckers don't even ride in this type of weather, let alone sit out here in the cold and work on these bikes. Damn! Right.
A few moments later.
I love to come up there, bro. That's fun.
Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me. It is super windy out, but it is the next day. Yesterday it rained, it snowed. We finished up the exhaust. We also wrapped up Eric's bike. He had a lot going on, but we finally wrapped that up for the most part. And I think at this point we are both ready to head down to Daytona. We had a few scattered storms today, but as soon as that sun came out and it cleared up the slightest bit, I was like, all right, this is my opportunity. So I really wanted to hear this exhaust. I wanted to get it up to at least 5th gear. And so that's what I did. The winds though are crazy. I had to completely flat foot, use those quad muscles at the red light because I almost blew over. Haven't been going too crazy quite yet. I need to tune it still. But, you know, I just wanted to hear it a little bit, see how it rode, see if there's any differences. And I'm really loving it so far. I think it sounds incredible. I had the stock exhaust with Reinhardt slip-ons. And now I just switched to the Bassani Road Rage 3 2-in-1. The look of this exhaust, it changes the whole face of this bike. It's insane. I never realized how much the stock exhaust covers up. I really love how this Bassani cleaned up the shiny side. I have loved learning all of the different factors that come together in unison to make these bikes function and make them function at high performance. And I got to learn a lot of that through what Eric is doing through his bike, and so I've been very grateful to be along for that process. Hopefully soon I can start that process on my bike, but for now we do have a new air cleaner set up and I have this new exhaust, so we'll see what's next. Maybe a cam, maybe. I don't have my cameraman, so I didn't really get any footage of me on the road, but I'll throw in the clips that I was able to get. I just wanted to quick grab some photos at sunset. Literally about to blow away. leaving me.